Syunik from a bird's eye view. Welcome to Syunik, a land where towering mountains, deep canyons, and winding rivers create a breathtaking symphony of nature. The landscapes here are dramatic, where the sky meets rugged peaks, where rivers carve through stone, and where ancient structures stand as silent witnesses to centuries past. Among these wonders, Shaki waterfall flows gracefully, its cascading waters breathing life into the surrounding wilderness. Now we take flight over this land, soaring above its wonders, from sacred monasteries to natural marvels, from prehistoric mysteries to breathtaking heights. Perched on the edge of the Vorotan Gorge, the legendary Tatev monastery rises like a fortress of faith, defying time and gravity. Built in the 9th century, Tatev was once one of Armenia's most powerful spiritual and educational centers. Scholars, monks, and kings walked its sacred halls, and today it remains a beacon of resilience and devotion. To reach this marvel, one must take to the skies. The wings of Tatev, the longest reversible aerial tramway in the world, carries visitors across the deep chasm, unveiling a breathtaking view of the monastery suspended between heaven and earth. Here, history echoes through the stone, whispering stories of faith, wisdom, and endurance. On the high plateaus of Syunik, the enigmatic Zoratskara stands, an ancient circle of stone, a portal to the past. Known as the Armenian Stonehenge, this prehistoric site, dating back over 7,500 years, is believed to have been an astronomical observatory aligning with the movements of the stars. Each stone holds a secret. Each shadow tells a tale. Who placed them here? What stories did they once tell? A mystery lost in time, waiting to be unraveled. Cradled within the fiery red cliffs of the Amagu Gorge, the Noravank Monastery is a masterpiece of medieval Armenian architecture. Built in the 13th century, it is renowned for its two-story church of Serb Astvatsatsin, Holy Mother of God, designed by the famed architect Momik. Its intricate carvings tell the story of faith and craftsmanship, where sacred art and divine devotion meet. As you stand before Noravank, surrounded by towering cliffs and timeless silence, you can feel the echoes of history whispering through the stone. Rising proudly above Syunik's landscapes, the Khustup mountain stands as a silent guardian of the region. This mighty peak, reaching 3,206 meters, is a symbol of strength and perseverance. Adventurers seek its heights, while its slopes embrace the untamed wilderness of Armenia's south. Here, the wind sings an ancient song, and the horizon stretches endlessly beyond its summit. Syunik, a land where nature breathes, where history lingers in stone, and where the sky stretches over a landscape of untamed beauty. From sacred monasteries to whispering waterfalls, from ancient observatories to the towering peaks, every corner of this land tells a story. The Kanzaresk swinging bridge, swaying gently over a deep gorge, stands as a link between past and present, connecting generations through time. A story seen from the skies, a story told from a bird's eye view.